Sairam everyone, and welcome back to our history revision. Children, here today we are going to begin, or we are going to do some map. Yes, map activity. Those maps which are there in your map activity book. My dear children, last time I did show you, instructed you all how to go about this map, how to locate a place in map activity book. And we have come across many maps wherein many of you have done not according to the instructions given. So here again today, I'm going to show you how to locate a place, a country on a given map. We will begin with our history lesson, French Revolution. Children, this French Revolution is the milestone in the history of mankind. It spread new ideas among the people, initiated mass movements, and instilled the spirit of nationalism among the people. He's Robespierre, you know. Yes. And what is that? That is the guillotine. Now, Robespierre's rule in France was known as Reign of Terror. That was for 1 year. This period lasted only for 1 year. That is from 1793 to 1794. This period of violence, this was a period of violence, okay, that occurred on the onset of the French Revolution. Robespierre, he was the one who followed a policy of severe control and punishments. Finally, what happened with Robespierre? In July 1794, he was convicted by the court, arrested, and was guillotined. Now we are going to do the map in this lesson. And this map, we are going to locate centers of execution during the Reign of Terror. Centers of execution during the Reign of Terror. So look at this map. Here they have shown different centers of execution. We have Paris, Nantes, Bordeaux, and Marseille. These are the 4 cities which were called as centers of execution. Now, let us locate these places in a blank map. Okay? Now, let's learn to locate these centers. A is Paris, B is Nantes, C is Bordeaux, and the last one is Marseille, that is D1. So let's learn to locate now. This is a map. You will be given a blank map. I have already drawn a line. These lines will not be there. You will not be having. Okay? In your map activity book. I'm talking about your map activity book. So here, let's learn to locate now. First, we'll go to question number A, that is Paris. You have to draw one arrow, write a A, and name of the place you have located. What you have located? Paris. Very good. Now we'll go to B. You're going to draw an arrow, write there B, and you're going to write there Nantes. Yeah. Then, if you we'll move on to C1. Bordeaux. I'm trying to write it over here. It's difficult. And the last one is Marseille. D. I have to mention the D. Yes, D. And then, yeah, Seill. Yes. So this way, you're going to draw the arrow. If it is ABC in this sequence, you're going to write ABC. If it is 1, 2, 3 numbers, you're going to write numbers. If it is small Roman numbers, then that you're going to write. Okay, so it depends. This is the way, this method you're going to follow in your map activity book when you're locating. I'll just delete it. Yeah, when you're locating in the map activity book. Now children, in the exam, you cannot locate. Yeah, this year being an online, you cannot locate anything. So what we are going to do, we'll be giving you a map like that. Okay, with see here, A, B, any sequence C and D, or either we will give them small numeral numbers, numbering 1, small numeral 2, then 3 and 4. And we may ask you a question. Okay, say suppose I'll give you number 1. Number 1 here. I'll put here number 1. Yes. So in the question I'll put center of execution during reign of terror. So you should know which place is this, what is here. Yes, you should know that. And we will be giving you options. We will be giving you options, say Paris, say Nantes, and Marseille. So you have to pick up the right answer. So what is the right answer? Nantes. So you'll be pick our right. You're not going to write anything on the map. You're going to just click the right option. In this exam, you're going to do this. What I told you, you'll be getting options and you're going to click on the right option. So you should know which place is where. Okay? Yeah. So let's move on to our next lesson. That is our second lesson in history, that is socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution. In this lesson, we will see Europe in 1914. We are going to work on this map. This map you're having in your textbook, also history textbook. While doing this lesson, by doing revision, we have done this map. So it's not that difficult. So here it is. Look at this map. Oh, very colorful, isn't it? So to understand this map, first thing is we will zoom on the index. We'll zoom the map. Yeah. You see, now you understood. The yellow color shows the triple entente, that is the allied power. Then we have in pink Central Power, and the gray color are the neutral states. This is during the First World War, when the European countries were divided into two alliances. The first one was the Allied power and the other one was the Central Power. Now let's see which are the countries. Yeah. Okay. Now, so yellow color was Triple Entente, that is the Allied power. Which are the countries over here now? Yes. This is United Kingdom. Yeah. Then France, Russia. Okay. This is Italy, Portugal, Romania, Serbia, Albania, and Greece. I need to zoom a bit. Yes. Now let's see. The Central Power. Oh, Germany. What is happening? Austria, Hungary. And then which other countries? Just I'll move my map little upwards. Yes, we will see. Yeah, Luxembourg. And we have Bulgaria. Yes, here it is. It joined in the year 1915. Then Turkey. Yeah, they are all the central powers. Now we will see the neutral countries. Countries which were neutral. Spain. Okay, I'll begin with Spain. I'll zoom a bit. Yes, here it is Sweden. Oh no. Norway. Denmark. Netherlands. This is Switzerland. Yeah, they all are your neutral states. Okay, now let's do the plotting of this map. So learn to locate. See, I'm not going to locate for you all the central power and light power. I'll take one state from each of the powers. See, children, right now I'm going to show you how to locate in your map activity book. So don't get confused. This semester 1 is online, so there you don't have to locate. Just we will see when you're doing it in your map book how to locate different place on your map book. So we will start with the central power. Okay, I'll take Germany. Where's Germany? Yes. Can you see? Oh, this dot is too small. I'll make it a little bigger. Now it is visible, I suppose. Yeah. So what is the first thing we are going to do? We are going to draw one arrow. Which place we are showing? Which place? Come on. Germany. You need to mention over there. What is this? Central power. Okay, I'll delete it. Now I'll show you one light power. I'll take Russia. Where it is? Here. Oh, my pen is not working. Now, it's Russia. Okay. Now how to locate it? I'll draw one arrow. And what I'll write there? Russian Empire. R-E or Russian Empire. Empire, there's no space. I'll write it down, but you all don't do that. Okay. We write it properly. Yeah. I'll delete up. Now I will talk about a neutral state, but that later join the central power. I'll take Ottoman Empire. Where it is? Oh, yeah, here. So what are you going to do? You're going to draw this I have done inside the map, but you're going to take it. This arrow will be drawn outside. Okay, don't draw it within the map. There's no space over here for me, so I'm finding it difficult, and I've written in short Ottoman Empire, but you're going to write full name Ottoman Empire. Okay, so I'll delete up. Now I'll talk about a state, a neutral state that later joined the Allied power. So I'll talk about Italy. Yes, so I'll first draw one arrow. Yeah, and what I'll write about the arrow? Italy. Okay, your work should be very good, not shabby like me. Isn't it? Yeah, do it properly. Use a pencil. Yeah, and then you can look at the places. Now I'll delete all this. Now I'll tell you how we will be going for the exam. Now see here, I'll make a dot over here, this place if you want. Yeah, you want me to zoom it? That's okay. Can you see? Now I'll draw an arrow. Now, based on this, a question will be a blank. See, first of all, a blank map will be given, a map with an arrow, and question number mentioned on it. Say question number A. Okay, A. Now you have to see what is question number A. A neutral state. Okay, a neutral state. So you should know the name. Which is this place? Which is this state? So if you know what you don't have to do anything on the map. You will be given options. Like say you will be given names of the country Sweden, then Holland, Belgium. Which is the right option? Which place is that? It is Sweden. So you are going to click right option. Clear? You're going to click on the right option. This is how you're going to do for your Essay 1 examination. Okay, fine. I hope so you all understood. Yeah. Now, one more we will take. I'll take, say, an arrow over here. Yes. What is this place? I'll draw an arrow. I suppose in exam an arrow is given. Question number, say, B. Okay. Name the state or country or allied power. Question is mentioned like that. And you are given example. Say example of Romania, France or United Kingdom. So what is the right option? United Kingdom. I'll write UK over here. Okay, so you're going to click on the right option. You don't have to do anything on the map. This is for exam. Don't get confused, children. For exam, you have to click on the right option. Yeah, and while you're plotting on your map activity book, you're going to draw the arrow, you're going to write the question number, you're going to write the name of the city, state or country, whatever you're plotting. Is that clear? Chalo, we'll move on now. In 1914, the First World War broke out between two European alliances, Germany, Austria and Turkey. They were the central power, and France, Britain and Russia, which was later joined by Italy and Romania, were the allied powers. Now each country had a global empire, and this war was fought outside Europe as well as in Europe. In Russia, the war was initially popular. People rallied around Tsar Nicholas II. Okay? Austria, Hungary declared war on Serbia, and Russia and Germany, they declared war on each other. Russia lost badly in Germany and also in Austria. That was in the year between 1914 and 1916. After the revolution, the new socialist government withdrew Russia from the war, as they considered this First World War as an imperialist war. So now in the map which is given in your map activity book, you are going to locate major countries of the First World War. Now children, you are going to do this on your own. Okay, map is given over there, filled map. You can take help of that and plot on the given map. Yeah, so this is a homework for you all and you'll be doing it. So now let's move further. This map, major countries of the First World War, is there in your map activity book, and this you are going to do it on your own. Yeah, now this is the European map, wherein again they are showing us the central power and the allied power. Yeah, so look at this central power and the countries with the name they have shown. Now one more map I'll show you. These are the questions. Say neutral power, central power and allied power. You're set to locate. Now look at this. Now you know which country is where and they belong to which power. Okay, you should know this, allied power center, but you should know which country belongs to which power, and also you should know where is that country located in the map. Because in exam, again I'm telling you, for your exam you'll be given a blank map with an arrow. Suppose, okay, with an arrow over here. Say a arrow is given over here. Yeah, arrow is given over there, and the question is asked based on that place. So what you will write there, it is a neutral state. Question number, and there they will mention the question number A. There they are going to mention question number A, a neutral state, and options will be given to you. Say the options are United Kingdom, Germany, and Sweden. So you will be clicking on the right option. Okay, this is how you're going to solve your map for your exam. You don't have to locate. But if you're locating in your map activity book, you're going to draw the arrow and do it accordingly as I told you. Hope so you all have followed this. I'll stop over here. Activity book, all the 3 maps what we have done today, you are going to do it. And for exam, you need to know which country is in allied group, which country is in central power, which countries are neutral. Also, you are going to know about the centers of execution, okay, during the reign of terror. All this you got to know, and then you go there in the exam, you're going to read the question and click on the correct option. Yeah, I suppose things are very clear. I'll stop over here. See you soon in the next video. Till then, thank you. Take care.